Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on Discord. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and scan a QR code. Maybe you want to go ahead and log in onto a computer. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Discord on your phone, then click on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, then click on the gear icon in the top right hand corner, then go ahead and click on Scan QR Code. So once you have this, you can scan your QR code on your laptop or computer, for example, and it'll instantly log you in. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and scan a QR code on Discord app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.